Hello guys, welcome to Consistency YouTube channel, and today I will be starting a new video series where I review the website of popular ISPs in Nigeria. But for now I will be reviewing the MTN website, Glow website, and Airtel, maybe 9 Mobile website, and these are the videos I'll be posting over the coming days. So if you want to see all the videos in this series, make sure you are subscribed. I'll be reviewing these websites based on certain criteria. I would be looking at the home pages and the navigation, usability, and I'll look at the performance. Also look at the key features like I mentioned in the intro. Then we'll look at the design and how accessible these websites are. Then when all that is said and done, I will give you my final thoughts. As you can see, the MTN website is starting off on a very good foot here. I do not know about you, but I love this yellow accent. Yes, I love it. It's pretty. You know, the whole yellow here, yellow there works for me. Yeah, it may not work for you, but I'm sure it works for me. And here you can see that there are so many options, but it's really not distracting. I cannot say it is distracting at all. So you have options for data, devices, voice, SIM services, support, and the shop button, which I am sure takes you to a different part of the website. And up there you can see they have the personal, business, play, investors, foundation. So maybe different categories for different types of customers. That is cool, but we'll be focusing on the personal part of the website today. So under the various options here, or should I say the various categories here, you have like data, devices, voice, like I said, and then under each of them you have interesting options, and I love it. I love what I see. Sincerely, I would say the homepage just captures me. All right, I love it. I love it. When you talk about navigation, I wouldn't say the MTN website does badly at all. I think it's good. It's fine. The navigation is okay. The buttons are easy to find. The options are easy to find. Though I did notice some options that weren't really doing anything for me. You just click and they stay there. These are not the options from the homepage anyway. But like I said, the navigation, I think navigation is fine. It's totally okay by me. Yes, I love it. I love it. It's cool. However, when we talk about performance, I wouldn't say the MTN website is the most performing website I've ever used. There are some bits of slowdowns here and there, but nothing that takes you out of the experience. You still, get to enjoy that fluidity. Yes, but there are times when you just feel like, yeah, this shit's slow. It's slow, but yeah, it doesn't really affect you to the point where you begin to scratch your head. Well, I would say the MTN website is feature packed. Yeah, I know you may not agree with me, but the MTN website is feature packed, having lots of options that do different things for you all on the same website. I love it. There's hardly any other website I've seen that has a 40 device service, where if your gadgets, maybe your router or your Wi-Fi, is faulty, you get to fill a form, send it back, and have them repair it. That's sweet. But I think there are some things that are missing. Though, before I talk about the things that are missing, I love the fact that they have these chatbots there. Yeah, they have the chatbot, and aside from having the chatbot, You also have lots of ways to contact them if you have issues. So you can use WhatsApp, you can visit their address, obviously. You can, you know, contact them in various other ways. Yes. So the fact that you get access to data plans, you get access to, tariff plans, voice services, and from here you can also access lots of SIM services, makes this very cool. So I love the features I see here, and I really don't have any complaints. Though, as you would find later on in this series, when you compare this website to the Airtel's website, there are a few things that you begin to miss. Yes, the yellow accent and all of that is fine. The color scheme generally is okay. Yellow, black, yellow, white works for me. And then you will feel comfortable here if you're somebody who's been using the MTN network for a while. You will just feel at home. But then you begin to miss the uh the dark mode. Yeah, the dark mode which you find on the Airtel website. It's not here. There's no dark mode here, so it's just white. And if you don't like the light shining into your eyes, sorry, MTN doesn't care. So deal with it. Okay, deal with it. And I like the fact that MTN has the shop. It's a different. It's partitioned. Let me say, it's partitioned from the main website. So you just get to feel like you're buying things now. You're paying for things now. When you go to the shop partition of the website. Unlike when you're just surfing and checking out what they have, when you're ready for the real deal, when you want to pay, you want to actually get something from MTN, you click on shop, it takes you there, and you just love how that works. Yes, you just love how that works. From the shop, you can have access to buying airtime, data, 5G, 4G devices, and yeah, I love what they've done here. For my final thoughts, okay, I think the MTN website is professional, if that is the word, and I think it's well built. It's a quality website. Of course, I never expected it to be cheap. MTN Nigeria is a multi-million naira company, maybe a multi-billion naira company even. So I expected that I was going to experience one of the best websites. And while I wouldn't give them the best yet until we check out all of the other websites from Airtel, Glow, and Nine Mobile, which I hope you're subscribed to see, I would say that MTN, I I don't feel disappointed. Yes, I just don't feel disappointed. Every part of the website looks premium. I didn't really miss any essential service or features. Maybe the dark mode for some people who like to stay in the no, that does not mean you like to stay in the dark, but you get what I mean. So if you're that kind of person who you prefer to have everything black, dark, the AMOLED guys, you would not want to spend so much time on the MTN website. But aside from that, I didn't really miss anything else. So yes, I would say this is a good website, and tell me what you think in the comments, because I'm sure I missed something. This is just me telling you what I feel. Maybe you have different thoughts. I'd like to hear them in the comments. And stick around for the next video where I will be showing you Airtel's website. Yes, that's the one we are looking at next. And let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next one.